But we do have a touch of spring, which is really affecting
Boy.
the weather because we've got a mess in Gaylord right now.
Yeah, let's turn it over to Brett and find out what the latest is. Brett.
Yeah, as we've been progressing throughout the afternoon, we've been seeing these showers and thunderstorms develop all just to our north and northwest. And as they've been strengthening, sure enough, the report came out, tornado on the ground in Gaylord. Not only that, but some very large hail as well. But there is the report. Weather Service employees reported it on the ground, a very strong rotation signal, which we'll show you coming up at 5:30. But as I mentioned, as that storm moved east, take a look at this, a report of baseball-sized hail. That's almost 3 inches. That's falling. Doesn't happen very often in Michigan. This is Oklahoma type stuff here, but a very active evening up in northern lower. We'll have more on this again coming up at 5:30. Meanwhile, down here, very summer-like, 87, so we've at least tied the hottest temperature of the year so far. Dew points are up, so it's a touch muggy. On top of that, it's very windy. Winds gusting between 25 and 40 miles per hour. Now, these winds should relax as we head through the evening, but the next couple of hours are still going to be very windy out there. There's a series of cold fronts coming through, and the first one comes through overnight. You can kind of see the sharp drop-off in those gusty winds. So by daybreak tomorrow, those gusty winds are out of here. The wind threat is there within any thunderstorms that develop tomorrow, but nothing area-wide. As for that storm threat for the rest of today and tonight, it's to our north. Tomorrow, it's mainly to our south and southeast, but we are by no means out of the woods. So let's time it out for you. Anything this evening likely staying to our north and west, maybe Flint, Howell, Heartland, up towards Lapeer could see an isolated shower. But it's overnight that this front starts to drape south, and with it, the focus for these showers and thunderstorms. Now, I think the bulk of the action stays just to our north and west, but those of us in the west and north zones may get clipped by this overnight. Tomorrow morning, all of us will see it. This is round one of what's going to be probably 2 rounds of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. This first round right there around sunrise through about 10, maybe 11 a.m. at the latest, and could be strong to severe. We'll talk about the threats in just a moment. In the afternoon, a bit of a break, maybe some decent sunshine. That's not necessarily good news because that sunshine helps the atmosphere destabilize, and that's going to fuel more showers and storms later. Now, in the afternoon, there could be an isolated shower or storm, but it's during the evening, especially closer to sunset, the second batch is expected to move in. Now, the second batch really just clips us according to this model. The bulk of the action with this round stays to our south. So 2 rounds looking likely on Saturday, 1 in the morning and 1 closer to sunset. Could be severe. Strong gusts over 60 miles per hour within storms are possible. Hail up to 1 inch in diameter. Now, the isolated downpour is flooding threat. If you're under one of these stronger storms, yes, there could be some localized flooding. And while that tornado threat is small, it can't be ruled out. Tonight, it's those northwest areas that might get clipped by showers and storms, but most of us are going to stay dry tonight, middle to upper 60s, mid 70s tomorrow with that first round in the morning, the second round in the evening likely just clipping us. Now, Sunday, there could be a shower early in the morning, but the bulk of Sunday looks all right. Monday, lots of sunshine, 60s, back in the 70s by the middle part of the week with more showers and storms.
All right.